This wide-neck breast milk storage bottle uses durable borosilicate glass, which handles refrigeration, gentle heating, and room temperature storage without adding unwanted odors or chemicals to the milk. Because it connects directly to compatible breast pumps and nipples, you can pump, store, and feed from the same bottle, which cuts down on milk transfers and potential waste. The silicone sealing disc and secure screw ring create a reliably tight closure so the bottle stays leak-free in a diaper bag or fridge. Clear measurement markings in 10 milliliter steps make it easy to track milk output accurately, and the writable lid lets you note dates or details that can be wiped off and reused. The glass body is designed to resist everyday bumps better than many fragile bottles, while also cleaning more thoroughly than plastic, since it is less prone to staining, scratching, or holding odors. Overall, this bottle feels thoughtfully designed for parents who want a safer, easier to maintain alternative to plastic containers for regular breast milk collection and storage.